Hi, I am Rebecca Corbin-Murray and I am a stylist based in London. Valentino have asked me to style the windows of their Bond Street boutique store with the Unboxing Valentino collection. I have a long-standing relationship with the brand Valentino, and this collaboration sort of came organically from that. When I first thought about the word unboxing and what it meant to me in relation to Pier Paolo's show was colour, it was beauty, and the idea came to me about nature and spring and rebirth and flowers unboxing. When you are working with a personality, a talent, and there are a lot of different elements involved to create the final look, and when you're working on a store, again, there are so many different elements you have to take into account to create that final look, which, you know, that's where the magic is. The Valentino world would be a heliotropic paradise full of wonder and joy and beauty and magic, where everyone is dancing in amazing Pier Paolo designed fabulousness. The vibe of the collection was strong silhouettes, some androgynous pieces, some feminine pieces which are very Valentino. There were pops of colour, trims with feathers, sparkles, just sort of a juxtaposition between hard and soft. If I could pick one piece of the collection, which would it be? No, can't do it. I think what surprised me most about the collection was some of the simplicity of the shapes and fabrics, the stretch knits, next to some of the complexities of the embroideries, and I just love the minimalist with the maximalist element. I think maybe the challenge was with the visual merchandisers that had to take my ideas and concept and translate them into something, a viable working window store concept. And I have a huge amount of respect for their job and what goes into creating amazing store windows. If I could describe the playlist, it would be mellow, dreamy, nostalgic, and a little smattering of Londonness. I guess my top styling tip would be to smile. It just lifts the look. It makes you feel good yourself, and when you're confident, everything looks better. If I could recommend one thing this season in my client's wardrobe, it would probably be a rock stud bag.